In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending the verification code, step by step. This is a really common issue, and in many cases the code is not actually missing at all, it's just being sent to another Telegram session on a different device. So before you assume something is broken, we're going to check the most important things first and make sure your phone number is entered correctly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your other devices. Telegram often sends the login code to an active session on another device, instead of sending an SMS right away. That means if you already have Telegram open on Telegram desktop, an old phone, a tablet, or even another browser session, the code may appear there. So look around and check any device where you're already signed in. Open Telegram on those devices and see if the verification code message is waiting there. If you find it, just enter that code on the device you're trying to log into, and you should be able to sign in normally. If you don't see the code on another device, don't panic. The next thing to check is your phone number. This is one of the most common reasons Telegram verification fails. Make sure you're selecting the correct country first by tapping the flag icon next to the number field. That flag controls the country code, and if it is wrong, Telegram may try to send the code to the wrong region or reject the number entirely. After selecting the correct country, enter your phone number in the strict international format. That means no leading zeros, no spaces, and no extra symbols unless Telegram specifically allows them. Just type the number exactly as it should appear internationally, because even a small formatting mistake can stop the code from being delivered. If you're copying the number from somewhere else, double-check it character by character before you submit it. Once your country and number are correct, request the verification code again and wait a moment. In many cases, Telegram will then either deliver the code to an existing logged-in device or continue with the correct verification path. If the code still doesn't show up, go back one more time and confirm that the number is truly the one connected to your Telegram account. A lot of login issues happen because people accidentally use a work number, a second SIM, or a number with the wrong country format. So take a second to verify everything before trying again. And remember, the key fixes here are checking for an active Telegram session on another device and making sure your phone number is entered correctly with the proper country code. Those two steps solve a lot of Telegram code problems without needing anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're back into Telegram in no time.